Did you know that over 80% of people who try today trade end up losing money? But with the right strategy, you could be one of the few who actually makes it work. Hey everyone, my name is Sarah, and I'm a trader. I used to be stuck in a 9-to-5 job, just like many of you watching this video. But I managed to break free from that cycle and replace my income with trading. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. In this video, I'll share my story and the exact steps I took to achieve financial independence. I remember feeling trapped in my old job, just going through the motions every day without any sense of fulfillment. I knew I wanted more out of life, but I didn't know where to start. It wasn't until I discovered trading that I finally found my passion. I spent countless hours learning, testing, and refining my strategies. It took time, effort, and perseverance, but eventually, I was able to create a system that worked for me. And today, I want to share that journey with you, so you can learn from my experiences and avoid the mistakes I made along the way. I'm excited to share my story with you, and I hope it inspires you to take control of your financial future. Many of us have been there, stuck in a 9-to-5 job, feeling unfulfilled and just trying to make ends meet. We're told that's just the way it is, that we need to work hard and climb the corporate ladder to achieve success. But what if I told you there's a better way? When you're in a 9-to-5 job, you're essentially trading your time for money. You're limited to a fixed income, and your freedom is restricted by your working hours. You're not in control of your schedule, and you're not able to pursue your passions. I know many people who are stuck in jobs they hate just because it pays the bills. They're not living their dreams, they're just surviving. And that's not the life we were meant to live. We're supposed to be happy, fulfilled, and living our passions, not just going through the motions. But the 9-to-5 job traps us in a cycle of monotony, preventing us from reaching our full potential. Most people think that's just the way it is, that we need to accept our fate and make the best of it. But I'm here to tell you that there's a different way. Trading, when done correctly, can provide you with the freedom and flexibility you need to pursue your dreams. You can trade from anywhere, at any time, and earn a living that's not limited by your working hours. But, of course, there are risks involved. You need to be disciplined, patient, and persistent to succeed in trading. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate way to earn a living. When I first started trading, I was like a newbie, making rookie mistakes and blowing up my account. I was frustrated, demotivated, and on the verge of giving up. But I didn't. I kept learning, kept pushing, and kept refining my strategies. And slowly but surely, I started to see progress. I started to make consistent profits, and my confidence grew. I learned to manage my risk, to trade with discipline, and to stay focused on my goals. And that's when everything changed. I started to see trading as a business, not just a hobby. I treated it with respect, and I put in the effort to make it work. And it did. My trading journey was not without its challenges, though. There were times when I doubted myself, when I felt like giving up, and when I thought I wasn't good enough. But I pushed through those feelings, and I kept going. I knew that if I wanted to achieve financial independence, I needed to persevere. And that's exactly what I did. I persevered, I learned, and I adapted. And today, I'm proud to say that I've replaced my 9-to-5 income with trading. Now, I know what you're thinking. How did I do it? What strategies did I use? What were the pivotal moments that made it all click? Well, let me tell you, it all started with education. I spent countless hours learning about trading, studying the markets, and testing different strategies. I didn't have a magic formula or a secret indicator that made me successful. I just put in the hard work, and I was patient. I also learned to manage my risk, to trade with discipline, and to stay focused on my goals. And that's when everything changed. I started to see trading as a business, not just a hobby. I treated it with respect, and I put in the effort to make it work. And it did. There was a pivotal moment when I realized that trading could replace my day job. It was a trade that I made, and it was a huge success. It was then that I knew I had the potential to make a living from trading. That trade gave me the confidence to keep pushing, to keep learning, and to keep refining my strategies. And it's been an incredible journey ever since. I've learned so much along the way, and I've made many mistakes. But I've never given up, and I've always kept pushing forward. And that's what I want to share with you today, the exact steps I took to achieve financial independence through trading. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not a magic formula. It's just hard work, dedication, and perseverance. If you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind and you're looking for a way out, I encourage you to keep watching. I'll share my story, and I'll provide you with practical tips and strategies to help you achieve financial independence through trading. I'll also share the challenges I faced, the lessons I learned, and the pivotal moments that made it all click. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how I replaced my 9 to 5 income with trading, and you'll have the inspiration to start your own journey. Let's recap the key steps I took to transition from a 9 to 5 job to trading. First, I educated myself. Then I developed a strategy, and I refined it over time. I also learned to manage my risk, to trade with discipline, and to stay focused on my goals. And that's when everything changed. I pushed through the challenges, I persevered, and I adapted. And today, I'm proud to say that I've replaced my 9 to 5 income with trading. If you're serious about achieving financial independence through trading, I encourage you to keep learning, to keep pushing, and to keep refining your strategies. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not a magic formula. It's just hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you and share more insights on becoming a successful trader.